welcome to Bio-Explaining. This is the fifth part of our revision series where we are revising the entire biology syllabus for ICSE Class 10th in the form of name the following or one-word answer questions. So before this, we have four parts of this revision series. So if you haven't watched it, then the links are given in the description box. Kindly watch them, practice part 1 to part 4, and then get back here to continue the practice. Get started with the first set of questions. Okay, let us start checking the answers. 81. Surgical method of contraception in females. This is tubectomy. Why is it known as tubectomy? Because in this method, the fallopian tubes are cut and ligated. Fallopian tubes, also known as the oviduct, so they are cut and ligated. So because we have fallopian tubes, so from there the term comes, this is tubectomy. 82. Term used for the production of ovum. The answer is oogenesis. So oogenesis refers to the process where ovum, that is the female gamete gets produced. 83. The remnant of the Graafian follicle after ovulation occurs. So remnant means the leftover. The answer is corpus luteum. Then the first form of food substance produced during photosynthesis. The answer in this case is glucose. 85. The circular opening in the eye enclosed by the iris. So the answer here is the pupil. The next 5 questions are on the screen. Get started. Let's begin with checking of the answers. 86. Any two parts of a leaf which allow transpiration. So the two parts are stomata and the other part is cuticle. Please note that you have been asked to write about parts of the leaf. A lot of children make the mistake of putting lenticels here as the answer also. But lenticels are not a part of the leaf. So your answer will be stomata and cuticle. 87. The plasma without fibrinogen is known as the serum. Then the fluid portion of the blood is known as the plasma. So in simple words, can we say this, that plasma minus fibrinogen, that from plasma when fibrinogen gets subtracted, then we get the serum. Okay. 89. The statistical study of human population of a region is known as demography. Okay. Then 90. Pigment present in the rod cells of the retina, it is rhodopsin. Okay. The next 5 questions are on the screen. Get started. Time to check the answers. 91. Cells having a single set of chromosomes. So they are known as haploid cells, and we call, represent them as N, showing that it is a single set of chromosomes. In case they have the double set of chromosomes, then we will be calling them to be diploid, and we represent them by 2N. So this is when they have a pair of chromosome. Every chromosome is present in pair. In that case, it is diploid. 92. The kind of cells that constitute the cortex of a root. So the cortex is made up of parenchyma cells. Parenchyma cells. Okay. Then solutions which have the same osmotic pressure. So it is known as isoosmotic or isotonic. Right? So this iso means what? Iso means same. So isoosmotic means same osmotic pressure. Then we have 94. Male copulatory organ is the penis. The term used for mature follicles in female, it is the Graafian follicle. Now, one thing that please note in this case is that a lot of children make the mistake in the spelling of the Graafian follicle. A lot of you tend to write it as Graffian. It is not Graafian. Okay, don't make this mistake. GrAA then FIAN. The next 5 questions are on the screen. Get started. Okay, let us start checking the answers. 96. Full form of LH, that is luteinizing hormone. Please take note of the spelling here also. This is a spelling where errors are very commonly made. Then we have 97. Full form of FSH, that is follicle stimulating hormone. Okay. Right. Then 98. Full form of IUD. IUD stands for intrauterine devices or device. Then 99. Term used for the release of the egg from the Graafian follicle. So this is known as ovulation. The term used for the Bowman's capsule and glomerulus together. This is known as the Malpighian capsule, or we can also call it to be the Malpighian corpuscle. Right? They mean the same. Again, talking about the spelling in this case, a lot of you tend to make the mistake of calling this Malpighian, but this is an absolutely wrong spelling. Take note that MALPI then GHIAN. So don't make this spelling mistake. Well, so if you think that this has been useful for you regarding your practice for the upcoming board examination, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel by explaining. And yes, stay tuned for the next part. Thank you.